Here is the key fob for your Nissan Versa, and you'll need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. The smaller it is, the better it is. First thing we'll do is get the physical key out of the key fob, and now grab the screwdriver and put it into one of the small slots just over there. See, if it's too big, it won't work. So get the small screwdriver right in those slots and then give it a firm twist. That's going to help you pry this cover open. There you go, it's a little bit open. Now just go along the edge and then twist it again a couple more times, and then entire key fob just gonna come apart. Now this side with the buttons on it, make sure it's always facing downwards, or else the buttons will just pop off and just fall off the remote, and that's gonna be more work for you. So set that aside. Pry it out right from where I'm prying it out from. Get the battery out. The battery size is CR2032. The negative side has no markings. The positive side is the one that has all these markings on it. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Get the new battery and put it in with the negative side facing upwards, just the way I'm showing. This is the negative side. Press it down and now it's secured. Take this half and put it on the other half and press them together to secure the clips. Let's not forget to put the key back into the key fob. And let's try this out. That is good. Let's go outside and try it out. And it's working fine. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.